I need that 2-inch height above your highest point in your mold. And you also want to make your board, I'm gonna call this a flask that I'm gonna make right now. I'm gonna screw these forms together and it's gonna make a box basically. And you're gonna pour plaster into that box. So, I can't remember where I was going, but I have a bunch of different sizes. So this is a 6-inch size, I have 4-inch size boards. There's a lot of boards right up there. And then we bought more boards that we can cut up if you need them for different lengths. But
where are they kept?
those
Either
are
up
right there. Yep. And then these will be
Smaller.
right up there as well if you need a larger, taller one. But I think for the majority of you, those 4-inch boards would be fine. But the first thing you're going to want to do is measure the height of your piece. And then you're going to go 2 inches higher than that highest point. So that's almost 4, so 6 inches is going to be the height of it there.
Is this 6 inches right here?
Yeah, well, these are like 5.5, I think. They mill it down. Yeah, so it's 5.
Yeah.
So when I fill this up, it's going to be 2 inches above it. And you also want to account for 2 inches all the way around as well.
Oh, so it's going to be 2 inches above the highest point. So this is all going to be plaster. So
Yeah.
you got to pour
And
a
then
lot.
2 inches around it.
Yep. Yeah. So that's what I'll do. I'll measure it really quick. Roughly 2 inches on all sides. And so notice that I'm doing this board kind of like I guess you could say like a swastika almost. But it makes it.
It's a
this
Buddhist
is-
symbol,
this
you
is
know,
the way-
originally.
Yeah, eternal
Originally.
life.
Yeah, until
Native American.
until the Germans
American.
screwed it up.
So,
Native
but the way that
Americans.
this
Yeah,
works
yeah,
is you
too.
can adjust it at any height, any
wow.
by doing it this format, you can adjust it to fit any size. So that's why these are cut larger, because I don't know what all the sizes that you guys are going to be doing. But these are 24-inch, so your 18-inch board or your 18-inch would be probably the full length of one of these boards. Okay, the next is I am on this is a melamine top here, so this is actually a plastic top surface. So the plaster doesn't stick as easy to this as it would, say, the wood board here. I'm not saying you have to move off those, but you're gonna have to put a release on the wood board itself. I'll put a little release on this, but it's more important to put the release on that because that's plastic, so it's non-porous. This wood is porous, so it'll absorb the plaster and it'll stick.
And when you say release, you're talking about oil or something?
Yeah, oil.